Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dog doors that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research. I have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Eillion XL dog door for exterior doors. This dog door is a solid choice for large dogs who need easy outdoor access without compromising your home's insulation. We found the Eillion XL dog door very sturdy once installed. The aluminum frame felt solid and didn't flex, which is reassuring with big dogs using it daily. The 3 flap layers and metal closing panel really help keep the cold air out, so the house stays comfortable even in bad weather. The built-in lock gave us control over when our dog could go outside, which made it simple to keep pets in at night. Installation took some time because of the large cutout needed, but the provided guide helped us avoid mistakes. The adjustable tunnel made fitting the door to our thick exterior door straightforward. The flaps worked well, but didn't always seal perfectly, leaving a tiny gap we noticed on windy days. Also, our dog did chew a flap, and although replacements are available, getting extras isn't automatic and can add to maintenance. At number 4, we have the PetSafe sliding glass dog door. This is a solid choice for pet owners who need a no-cut, easy-to-install dog door for sliding glass doors that fits large dogs well. We found this sliding pet door really handy for giving our dogs quick access to the patio without changing our sliding door permanently. Installation was simple, just slide it into the track. It took some force to get it perfectly in place, but once set, it stayed solid and secure. The magnetic flap keeps the door sealed well against drafts and rain. Our pets use it easily, and it seems tough enough to hold up through wind and weather. We liked that it adjusts in height to fit different door frames, which made it work with our older sliding door. One thing to watch for is the fit. Sometimes the door doesn't line up exactly with certain patio locks. Adding weather stripping helped us keep it snug and energy efficient. At number 3, we have the HARDLIGHT aluminum dog door. This dog door is a solid choice for large dogs, offering durability, good weather protection, and easy installation. We found the aluminum frame very sturdy. It held up well under daily use by our large dog and didn't show signs of rust or wear despite exposure to rain. The double magnetic flaps felt flexible and soft enough to be safe for our pet's paws. The telescoping tunnel was helpful to get a snug fit on our thick wooden door. This prevented drafts and bugs from sneaking in. The sliding lock panels added a good security layer when needed, which is great for controlling when pets go out. Installation took a bit of care, especially since our door was metal. If your door is similar, you might want to plan for some help or permission. At number 2, we have the Eillion large dog door for sliding glass doors. This dog door is a solid choice for large pets and sliding glass doors, offering good durability and useful features. The Eillion dog door is strong and well built. The metal frame feels like it will last, and the magnetic flap keeps cold air out effectively. Setting it up took some work. Drilling is required, and it took a while for us to finish the assembly. It helps to have an extra person. The flap only opens one way, so you have to plan which side of your door it goes on. The size fits large dogs comfortably. The flap is wide and tall enough for pets up to about 100 pounds. We like the safety lock feature that helps keep our home secure when the door isn't in use. It's a practical pet door if you don't mind the installation steps. And finally, at number 1, we have the PetSafe plastic dog door. We found this dog door easy to install and solid enough for large dogs, making it a practical choice for most pet owners. Installing the PetSafe plastic dog door was straightforward. It fit well on our wood door, and the included instructions helped a lot. The frame feels durable, and the flap swings smoothly, which our dogs seem to like right away. The lockable slide panel is a feature we appreciated. It gives us control over when the dogs can go outside, which is useful for safety or weather reasons. The door fits large dogs up to 100 pounds comfortably, though larger dogs might need to size up. One downside we noticed was the plastic screws. They need to be tightened gently to avoid cracking. Also, the flap can get dirty, which can affect how well it seals. But the flap is removable for cleaning, which helps keep things tidy. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.